As you can imagine, in the house, everything gets dirty eventually. If you're looking to clean your skirting boards quickly, the fastest way to do so is get some warm soapy water and a cloth, dunk the cloth into the water and squeeze out the excess water. Then apply pressure onto the skirting board and rub it until the area is clean. Afterwards, repeat the process and make sure once you clean the skirting, clean off the soap so it doesn't set. To get the most out of a vacuum, first, dust off the skirting boards manually by brushing them with a cloth or dust brush. After this, vacuum the skirting board to help clean out all the dust possibly missed by the cloth. Also make sure to vacuum the nooks and crooks which can be easy to miss and hard to clean. Cleaning the tough stains. To clean the stains you'll need an acid like vinegar or bleach. If you're going to use bleach, make sure to check the manufacturer's recommendations as you do not want to damage the skirting board and ruin its looks. If all is well, wear gloves and proceed to dunk the cloth into soapy water mixed in with the bleach. This solution will now eat away at the dirt as you clean it, thus making it possible to completely remove all the dirt away from a heavily stained skirting board. Make sure you then dry off the skirting board, and that's how to clean skirting. This concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.